These are all the items you'll need to fix the doorbell. Get your tape measure out, put your bracket up, get it aligned with the level, figure out exactly where it's going to go, mark where your holes need to be, put it into second speed, make sure it's in hammer mode, figure out how deep your wall plugs need to be, put a bit of tape on there, that'll help guide the depth of the hole you're drilling. Drill all the holes out, make sure you clear the holes regularly, pull the drill bit in and out of the holes to get all the debris out. Once you've got all your holes drilled, put your wall plugs in, tap them in with a hammer, get them nice and flush. Put your driver bit in, grab a bracket and then the screws, line it all up and just gently lock it all off. Put the rest of the screws into your bracket. Now it's time to hang the bell. Hello, puppy.